Hey guys, we're gonna go over your work for day 8, your application problem in your packet. So you should be opened up to that page in your packet. I'm gonna read the problem and we're gonna go through the steps of solving it using RDW. Remember, read, draw, write to solve this problem. Okay, so the problem says markers come in packs of 2. If Jessie has 6 packs of markers, how many markers does she have in all? So this problem is asking me to do 3 different steps, right? First, it's asking me to draw groups to show Jessie's packs of markers. Then I have to write a repeated addition sentence to match it. And then the last step is to group the add-ins into pairs and add to find the total. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna label my board with an A. You can do this on your paper in your packet. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw this. I'm gonna draw a picture to match this story. So I know that Jessie has 6 packs of markers, and inside each pack there are 2 markers. So on my board, which you can follow along with in your packet, I'm gonna draw some circles to show the 6 packs of markers, right? So this is my first pack of markers, and there are 2 inside of it. The second pack has 2, 3 packs, 4 packs, 5 packs, and 6 packs. Okay, so I'm gonna double check to make sure that I have 6 packs of markers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I did that. I wanna make sure that each pack has 2 markers inside of it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, and 2. Okay, awesome. So I'm done with my part A, so I'm done with that part. The next part is asking me to write a repeated addition sentence to match my drawing. Now remember, your repeated addition sentence is just gonna match exactly what we just did with the drawing. So my first pack had 2 markers inside of it, so I'm gonna write 2. Every time that I write a 2 for each pack, I'm gonna check off my pack with the circle to remember that I already added that one. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals, okay. So this should be my repeated addition sentence, right? I have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals, I want to make sure that I have 2 written down 6 times for each pack of markers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, got it. So now the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to group the add-ins into pairs and add to find the total. Now remember, pairs are 2, right? So what I'm going to do with my picture is I'm going to group them into pairs to find the total. So if I look at my picture up here, right, I know I have 6. I want to group them into pairs. So what I can do is I can group them like this. That's a pair. Here's another pair. And another pair. Right, so each pair has 2 packs inside of it. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 pairs. So now, right, I want to add to find my total. So down here for C, let's see if I can, wrong way, there we go. I want to write an addition sentence to match what I just did, right? So now I paired up some of my packs of markers together. So when I group 2 and 2 together, I know that made 4. The next one, 2 and 2 together made 4. And the last one, 2 and 2 together made 4. So now I can count up, or I can add up all of my markers together to figure out what the total is. So I know 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So this gave me 12. And if I count this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So all together, Jessie has how many markers? 12 markers. So at some part of your page, there are 3 lines at the bottom that say A, B, and C. So on one of those lines, you can choose one. I would probably write it on C. At the bottom of your page, you're gonna write your sentence now to answer the question. So we found out, right, that Jessie, we're gonna write a complete sentence to answer the question. So Jessie has 12 markers in all. So this sentence answers the question that the problem was asking me. I did all of my steps, right? I read it, I drew it, and then I solved it. I want you to make sure that you had all of those steps on your board or on your packet as well. If you didn't, I want you to go back and see how you can fix it. Great job, guys.